continuing with the doodle a day. Yesterday I did a black cat using Posca acrylic markers, the brush nib. I think these are a lot better, but there's not as many colours in them. And on top I used Guangna acrylic high gloss marker, and these show up really well over basically anything, so go for it if you have them. And today I've done an inky seagull. I just filled my Lamy Safari fountain pen with blue ink, and I love drawing with blue, so I'm probably going to continue with that. So that's the doodles of the day, yesterday and today.